Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we are discussing the formulas in MS Excel. Today we will start the mathematical operators used in formulas. So what mathematical operators are used in Excel to do the calculations of maths? Okay, so you can see this table. Operations are given and operators are given and how they are used in formula. So this table is very important to understand. So first operation is exponent. Exponent means the power. Okay. So you have done in maths that power is any number over other number. Okay. Exponent, the operator symbol is like this. Order of operation, order of evaluation is 1. 3. This operator sign, which operator? Exponent operator. 3 to the power 4. Okay. So when you calculate 3 to the power 4, the result is coming 81. So how it is used? I am giving one example. So exponent means any number to the power any number other number. See, 2 the power of 2, suppose 2 given. So it is written in the top. This is called exponent. So in maths we can write like this, but in computer you have to write like this, 2 power 2, like this. Understanding or not? So 2 power 2, that means 2 to the power 2 is what? 2 times you have to multiply 2. 2 into 2. It is what coming? It is coming 4. Understanding? This is called the operator of exponent. And here 3 to the power 4 written, that means it is what? 3 to the power 4. That means 3 to the power 4. 3 will be multiplied 4 times. That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it is what? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So in this way 81 is coming. Understood now? What is called exponent? Now multiplication, all of you know this. So multiplication sign is what? Like this, into sign. But in computer it is this star sign. This is called star sign or asterisk sign. So this is the multiplication operator. Order of evaluation means 2. That means 2 numbers will be there. 6 into 4 is 24. Division. So in maths we write division like this and like this also, right? This is the divide sign. Then 8 divided by 3. So here 2.6 is coming. Addition, you know, plus. So 16 plus 45, 61. Subtraction is minus. 35 minus 12, 23. So in this way, these operators are used in Excel. So let's go to next page. So any operation contained in brackets will be carried out first, followed by an exponent. That means like BODMAS rule you follow in maths, right? BODMAS rule. Here also you have to follow the BODMAS rule. So you have to perform the operation of brackets first of all. Okay. Followed by exponent. After that you have to perform the exponent. First of all bracket operation, then exponent operation. Then follows division. Then after that what comes? Division comes, divide. Then multiplication operation, which are given equal importance. See, multiplication and division are given equal importance. They are carried out in order they occur in the formula. Left to right. Okay. So if division and multiplication both are coming in an expression, in a question, then you have to give the equal importance. That means you can perform division also, multiplication also. But what will you perform first? In according to their occurrence. That means which will come to the left side first, then you have to perform left one. It will go like left to right. That means if division is coming in the left, then you have to perform division. If multiplication is coming left, then you have to perform multiplication first. In this way, whichever appears first in the formula is carried out first. So here it is clearly written. That means division and multiplication are given same importance, but how they are will calculated. So whichever will come first, left to right, that they will be performed like that. After that, addition and subtraction operations are given equal importance. Here also see, addition and subtraction are also given the equal importance here, and same rule is applied here also. They are also carried out in the order they occur in formula left to right. Same here. Okay, so this is the way of doing the operation. Like Bodmas rule we follow in the maths. Here also this is some rule how to perform the calculation. Okay, so if two operators have the same order of evaluation, Excel simply evaluates from left to right. So if any expression, any question is same order, same multiplication and division or addition and subtraction, then what it will follow? It will follow from left to right, whatever comes first. Okay, now see, here one example given, 2 plus 3, so it is inside the bracket and into 5. So what will you perform first? 2 plus 3, because it is inside the bracket, so 2 plus 3 is 5, this into sign, multiplication sign, 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, then here 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. So what will you perform first? Multiplication or addition? Obviously multiplication. Okay, 3 5 ja 15, then 15 plus 2 will be 17, right? Then here 2, this exponent sign, 2 to the power 3 minus 2. How it is performed? See here, 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 3 like this minus 2. So 2 is multiplied 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. It is coming what? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. So this is the answer in this way. Understanding? Now this one, 2 to the power 3 minus 2. That means first of all you will calculate the bracket. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So 2 to the power 1 is what? That means 2 is multiplied one time. So it is 2 only. Then 7 minus 6 into 2 plus 3. So who has the more power? That means which will perform first? Multiplication will perform first. So 7 minus 6 into 2. 6 2 is 12. Okay. Then 7 minus 12 plus 3. Okay. Now which will perform first? Addition or subtraction? You know that here written addition and subtraction has equal importance, but which will come first? That means which will come first from the left side, it will perform first. Addition is there because before 7 there is no sign, that means it is addition. So 7 plus 3 will perform. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 12 is what? 10 minus 12. It is what? 10 minus 12 is what? Minus 2. You know, in the integer chapter of maths you have studied. So it is minus 2. Then 8 plus 4 by 2. So this is division. So obviously we will perform division first. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Now understood, students? So this is the way of doing the maths in Excel, MS Excel. Now students, the next topic, that is error results. If after doing any calculation, if error comes, if any mistake comes, then what will you show? What the Excel will show? Sometimes a cell with a formula displays an error result rather than a proper value. Okay, so it will sometimes the cell will show the some error, some mistake is there. If there is any mistake in calculation, it will show the mistake. So it will not give the proper value. It will show the error. It will write the error. This happens when the formula has a problem. So when error will happen? Some formula will be written wrong, and Excel cannot evaluate it. So if the formula is written wrong, the Excel will not evaluate it. Evaluate means it will not calculate it. So these are list some common formula errors in the Excel along with their possible reasons. So these are the errors given. So if in your cell this message come, that means this error message come. So hash div divide by 0 and exclamation mark. So what is the meaning of this? The reason is given here. The formula contains an invalid operation. So that formula contains the invalid operation. What invalid operation? It is showing division by 0, right? So here written, you can see it clearly, divide by 0. So you cannot divide any number by 0. Suppose 5 divide by 0 you cannot do. Okay, this is what? Mistake. So 5 divided by 0 is what? Not defined. You cannot divide any number by 0. It is not possible in maths. That's why this error will show like this. Then n by a, that means na. This is what? Data is not available. The meaning of this error is what? Data is not available. So formula I have written, but how it will calculate if data is not there in the cell? So data is not available. Formula is correct, no doubt, but data is not there. Value, the formula contains invalid data. That means the formula is wrong. Understood? So these are the possible error and the reasons. So students, so I have taught you today about the mathematical formulas, their way of calculation and the error result. So read all these things in your home. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.